Today we're taking a look at the Hexgears A3 Immersive Mechanical Keyboard. This thing is fantastic. I'm going to go through the box opening with you so you can see what comes in the box. Then I'm going to go through some features and show you some really cool things about this keyboard and what makes it so great. So let's check out how the box opening went. I'll pop back in. So this thing is packed with a bunch of features, but one of my favorite things is how you can connect this to your devices. You can actually connect it to multiple devices with Bluetooth, and then you can even connect it with the USB-C cable. So the first feature I noticed and absolutely love is the connectivity of this keyboard. The fact that I can use a USB-C cable to connect it to a computer, a laptop, a Mac, or even a TV. You have one switch between the USB-C and your Bluetooth USB toggle that you can connect to a computer, and then you have 3 designated Bluetooth channels. So you can be connected to 3 different devices and switch between them for the ease and convenience that you need. So this is actually a 10 keyless ultra compact design with low profile hot swappable switches, and the keyboard does come with 2 tools. These are switch pullers. These are to get those keycaps off of your keyboard. So one of the functions that makes this keyboard a fan favorite is the fact that it's got that hot swappable functionality. So this basically allows you to replace key switches without soldering or specialized tools. As you can see, they just pop straight off when you need them, and it just really gives you personalized customization. If a switch malfunctions, it can be quickly swapped out, which actually means it can extend the keyboard's lifespan. Plus there is a variety of different switch types like tactical, linear, or clicky, if you really like that clicky noise that I know so many. So one of my favorite things about this keyboard is the RGB backlit lighting of the keys. Means you can absolutely customize it with different patterns, different colors, different brightness, different speed. And I'm about to show you. I think the best way to show you is by turning these lights off. Let's go. Well, here we are in complete darkness, and here's that keyboard. Doesn't that just look fantastic? Alright, let's check it out. So the A3 mechanical keyboard does boast 16.8 million RGB with the backlit lights. That basically means you can customize this with any pattern, brightness, speed that you want. There is 19 effects that are set in that you can switch using the screen up the top right. So again, they had gaming excellence in mind with this unmatched immersive lighting and the connectivity. Basically less than 1 millisecond latency via the Type-C USB cable, 1 millisecond latency via the 2.4 gigahertz Bluetooth with every key press. There is of course a dedicated toggle for the RGB switch and display screen, and the keycaps are durable, translucent, and anti-fade. And on top of all of that, there is programmable macros. Now the A3 mechanical keyboard is going to be of August, and when it's first released there will be a discount. So hit the link below and get it before it goes back up to full price. Like and comment and subscribe for more reviews like this.